For children, Christmas is a world of pure magic. Their eyes sparkle with excitement at the colorful lights. They love decorating the Christmas tree with shiny ornaments. The anticipation for Santa's visit fills their hearts. Every gift under the tree holds a wonderful surprise. This season creates their most precious childhood memories. It is a time of innocent joy and boundless imagination. Children actively join the Christmas traditions. They write heartfelt letters to Santa Claus. They carefully hang stockings by the fireplace. They sing cute Christmas songs with their families. They enjoy festive games and watch holiday movies. These simple activities bring them immense happiness. The magic of Christmas lives in these little moments. This magical world is built on dreams and wishes. Children truly believe in Santa's workshop. They imagine his reindeer flying across the sky. They hope to hear sleigh bells on Christmas Eve. This faith makes the holiday incredibly special for them. It teaches them about hope and the joy of receiving. These memories will stay with them for a lifetime. The magic of Christmas shapes a child's heart. It introduces them to kindness and generosity. They learn to appreciate the love around them. This joyful foundation influences their entire life. The memories of twinkling lights and Santa's gifts become priceless treasures. They carry this warmth into their adult years. Teenagers experience Christmas with vibrant energy. They enjoy decorating the tree with modern styles. They carefully choose gifts for their close friends. School parties and small gatherings are exciting for them. They actively participate in festive events. This age is about expressing their growing identity. Christmas becomes a social and creative playground. A beautiful trend is their involvement in charity. Many teens join volunteer groups during Christmas. They help wrap and deliver gifts for poor children. They participate in community meal services. This teaches them empathy and social responsibility. They learn the joy of giving without expectation. It is a crucial step in their emotional growth. Christmas for teens is also about creative projects. They might design their own Christmas cards. They create handmade gifts for family members. They help plan fun games for younger siblings. This fosters their planning and artistic skills. They feel proud of their contributions to the holiday. It is a practical way to develop their talents. Through these activities, teenagers build social connections. They strengthen friendships and create new ones. They learn the balance between having fun and helping others. Christmas becomes a lesson in compassion and community. It prepares them for their future roles in society. This season helps shape them into caring and aware adults. Young couples enjoy a romantic Christmas season. They plan special dates under the festive lights. Exchanging meaningful gifts is an important ritual. They enjoy decorating their first home together. Creating new traditions as a pair is exciting. Christmas becomes a time to deepen their bond. These moments build a foundation of shared memories. They actively participate in couple-oriented festivals. Taking romantic photos is a popular activity. They capture their love in the beautiful settings. Attending Christmas markets together is delightful. They enjoy festive concerts and light shows. These experiences strengthen their relationship. Christmas offers a perfect backdrop for romance. Single young adults celebrate differently. They often gather with groups of friends. They explore Christmas festivals and enjoy local food. Watching holiday movies together is a common activity. They might join community events or travel. This freedom allows them to follow their interests. They learn to appreciate their own company. For all young people, Christmas is a time of exploration. They balance personal joy with social connections. They discover more about themselves and their values. Some focus on career goals and personal growth. Others prioritize relationships and life experiences. This season helps them define their path forward. It is a vibrant chapter of self-discovery and connection. Adults take on the role of holiday organizers. They carefully plan and purchase gifts for everyone. Decorating the entire house becomes their task. They prepare special meals for the family feast. Managing the Christmas budget is important. Their effort creates the magic for others. This responsibility, while tiring, is filled with love. A key part of their holiday is reconnecting. They send Christmas cards to distant relatives. They make phone calls to old friends. Organizing family gatherings is a priority. They also join community charity events. These actions strengthen their social network. Christmas becomes a time to nurture all relationships. For adults, Christmas is deeply about family bonding. They work to create a warm and happy atmosphere. They ensure everyone feels included and loved. Sharing stories around the dinner table is precious. They pass down family traditions to their children. This role as a family anchor is rewarding. It gives them a deep sense of purpose and belonging. Through this busy season, adults find their own joy. It comes from seeing their family happy and united. The stress of preparation fades during the celebration. They understand the cycle of giving and receiving love. Christmas reaffirms their place in the family and community. It is a time of heartfelt satisfaction and shared warmth. For seniors, Christmas is a time of peaceful reflection. They enjoy watching their family gather around them. Their home fills with the laughter of grandchildren. They share stories of Christmases from long ago. These memories are precious treasures for them. They feel a deep sense of fulfillment and peace. Christmas connects them to a lifetime of love. They often attend traditional church services. Preparing family recipes is a joyful duty. Their hands create dishes filled with love and history. They enjoy watching younger generations enjoy the food. Sharing these traditions gives them great happiness. It is their way of passing on a cultural legacy. Their experience guides the family celebration. Christmas beautifully connects all generations. Grandparents tell stories while children listen. Parents organize the activities and meals. Teenagers help with technology and modern tasks. Everyone decorates the tree together. This cooperation creates strong family bonds. Each person contributes their unique skills and love. In this shared joy, we find the true spirit. Children learn about love and tradition. Youth understand the value of sharing. Adults fulfill their role as caregivers. Seniors share their wisdom and blessings. Christmas weaves all ages into a beautiful tapestry. It reminds us that every stage of life has its own magic and grace.